Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you another thumbnail example which is available on Canva, and we are going to use that template. So let us select one free template and edit it. So I have selected this one, like earn online using mobile. So you can make it desktop. So it is coming down, just decrease the size just by clicking here. Okay, so if you want to replace this image, you can do, and you can upload your own image here. In this way you can upload, or you can change these things, can delete these things, or if you want to put something like any elements, you can do that. So how to do that? So let us check some recently used lines and shapes. Click here, come down and check it which one you want to put here. Anything you want to put, you just select it. Okay, in this way. Change the color or red, not looking good. Yes, so whatever things you want to put, you can put in this way. Okay, and if you want to drag, you simply hold here and drag it. Okay, in this way. Okay, so in this way you can edit any existing Canva template and make it for yours. So I hope you learned something in this lesson. So meet you in the next lesson. For now, bye bye.